What's up, Telescopes? It's your girl Talise, aka Curly Tails, and I'm back here with another CURLSMAS video. And today I'm going to be doing another episode of Cooking with Tails. And I have my husband Brandon here as my cameraman. Gonna say hey to the Telescopes?
Hello, Telescopes.
So he's going to be filming for me, and I'm going to be making some super easy holiday cookies. So you really just need peanut butter cookie dough. I got this Reese's one, and I got it from Walmart. I was at Kroger looking for it because that's where I was doing most of my shopping, and they didn't have any. So I think this is a popular, item this year. I don't know. Everybody's making these cookies because they bang. And then I also have a bowl of sugar, and I wrapped a cookie sheet in foil. And I also have a bag of the Hershey Milk Chocolate Kisses. I couldn't find any of these at Kroger either. I don't know if I just didn't see them or if they were gone too. If they were gone too, then it really is these cookies that people are loving. Okay, so I'm just gonna break off, bits of this and roll it into balls. That are about that size. And then I'm going to roll the cookie dough ball in the sugar. Put it on the cookie sheet. And I'm going to do that for the whole thing. Okay, this is what it's looking like after I rolled all of the cookie dough into balls, and I ended up needing 2 cookie sheets because just one was not enough. I definitely don't want them crammed all into like one giant cookie. I'm going to be baking them at 350 degrees for 9 to 14 minutes, so I'm probably going to check on them in about 11 minutes. I didn't count how many cookies I rolled into balls. I really should have done that. But I'm just going to start unwrapping kisses right now, and hopefully I unwrapped the right amount. Or I guess if I unwrap extra, we'll just eat them. And if we don't unwrap enough, then I'll just unwrap some more. This is all of the kisses all unwrapped. Okay, now I'm taking the kisses and I'm pressing them into the center of the cookie. And you have to do this when it's fresh out of the oven, so it's soft enough for you to press the kiss into. Oh. And although I wasn't trying to make any kind of groupings, they did end up grouping up.
And they became groupies.
Boy, and I'm gonna leave a couple of them without kisses in them because my sister doesn't really like chocolate, so she would prefer just the peanut butter cookie. This is what the finished product looks like, and we're just gonna let the cookies cool for a little bit, and then we're gonna smash them. These cookies are so quick, so easy, and so delicious.
And that's the way the cookie crumbles.
And that's the way the cookie crumbles.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video and for tuning into CURLSMAS. I really hope you've been enjoying these videos. If you have, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching and making it to the end, and I will see you in the next one.